Okay guys, time for the rear end. Now the rear end is a little bit more difficult than the front end, but pretty much you're just gonna wanna heat up the entire emblem and get the glue behind it or as basically as warm as possible, just to loosen it up. Preferably a heat gun would be more necessary or more useful, but at the moment I've got a hair dryer and I think it'll work, but you know, we'll see. So once we get it all warmed up and ready to go, we'll take our little bit of floss here and then we'll just work our way behind it and see if we can't detach it from the car. So, well, let's just do it then. Yeah, chrome ones are off, or the silver ones, what have you. But now I gotta get all this tape off before I put the other ones on. Just because I can already tell they're not gonna match up directly. Scraping some of that away. Get it on there. Finally off, but now I gotta clean off a bit and see if I can't get any more of the surrounding parts cleaned up a little bit, just to make it look flush when I put it on. But yeah, making progress.
This is no longer war. This is cold-blooded murder. Murder.
Well, there they are. Got them on finally.
This is no longer war. This is cold-blooded murder.